Hello, this is Henry Cheng. This is my art of life. 大家好。
Hello all. I hope you will like this painting and calligraphy. I choose a sea of clouds as the subject. I will recite the poem first.
雲乃天地之大文章，有緣閱者，目迷五色，山村錦繡，秘雲隱現，似見虛無，浩渺其中。
On top, a large seal with the character, meaning chi undisturbed, spirit at peace. Over here, a seal with the character yan, meaning kindness. This character combined the words for person and the number 2, reminding us kindness need 2 people to accomplish. This painting embodies the artistic concept of mysticism. The readers with an affinity for this painting may be able to read the writings in the rolling clouds and glimpse into the vastness of the universe.
多謝各位。
Thank you, everyone.